Best rated indoor sauna. Number 1. IV Best. Rated Indoor Sauna. Fully enclosed sauna, brand new design, heating faster and more comfortable. 1000 watts Pro Table Steam Sauna can heat quickly in 5 minutes, and it can reach a max temp of 140 degrees Fahrenheit / 60 degrees Celsius. The 2.6 liters capacity steam pot has 1 to 90 minutes time setting and 9 heating levels adjustment function. You can also use the remote control to powerade it. Don't be deceived by this small and cute tent, it has enough sauna room for legs inside. Not only that, the unique semicircular transparent window design can give you a wider view and allow you to open the window at any time to dissipate heat. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Soko. Rated Indoor Sauna. Soko Portable Sauna Tent for home on a large enough internal space and transparent windows to give you a better full-body sauna and SPA experience. Absolutely perfect for one-person at home sauna. Soko Steam Room used high-quality insulation fabrics to prevent heat loss and waterproof. Safe and durable steam sauna tent. The steam generator is made of high-quality 304 stainless steel, rust-proof and durable. It has the functions of anti-leakage and automatic power-off protection for steam generators without water. Double protection makes sure safe. To get the best out of the sauna, we recommend about 10 minutes of preheating before starting. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Cos Valve. Rated Indoor Sauna. Cos Valve Portable Sauna made of high-quality super thick ultrasonic pressed cotton fabric, high sealing, can effectively prevent heat loss. High-quality stainless steel pipe, rust-resistant and durable, strong stability, not easy to deformation. 304 stainless steel steamer lining is resistant to high temperature and corrosion, provide long service life. The portable steam sauna has a capacity of 4 liters steam pot and can be used for 95 minutes when filled with water. Steam can fill the whole sauna tent 360 degrees in a short time. Provides 16 heating levels, max temperature 140 degrees Fahrenheit / 60 degrees Celsius. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Zhejiang. Rated Indoor Sauna. The portable sauna tent is heated by a steam generator equipped with a digital display so that you can see the current temperature and time of the steam pot at a clear sight. Made of satin and polyester, the insulation and waterproof fabric can effectively prevent heat loss. Heating element 800 watts, support 110 volts / 60 Hz voltage, portable and foldable. Portable steam sauna has a breakthrough portable design, detachable and collapsible frame for easy folding storage or travel. Foldable steel wire skeleton and PVC bracket add portability and stability for your convenience. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. 8PA. Rated Indoor Sauna. The portable sauna tent with a brown cotton collar provides additional comfort by creating a barrier between your neck and the steam. It prevents skin discomfort, stickiness, and other issues that can arise from direct contact with the composite material. The disassemblable sauna collar allows for regular cleaning, ensuring a relaxed sauna experience. You can easily remove the portable sauna brown collar, clean it, and reattach it to the sauna tent, maintaining a fresh and clean environment. The portable sauna tent features a simple diamond-shaped checkered design that blends seamlessly with various home decoration styles. Whether your home has a modern, minimalist, or traditional aesthetic. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.